Hey everyone, and welcome back to English Up. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Alex, and today we're talking about something super important, self-care.
That's right, Alex. It's a topic that often gets overlooked, but it's absolutely crucial for our well-being, especially in today's busy world.
Exactly. So, Chloe, what exactly is self-care in your opinion?
Well, for me, self-care is about intentionally taking time to look after yourself. It's about doing things that recharge your batteries, both mentally and physically. It can be anything from getting enough sleep to spending time with loved ones, or even just reading a good book. It's all about giving yourself what you need to thrive.
I agree. It's not selfish, it's essential. We often think of self-care as a luxury, but it's really a necessity. It's like putting on your own oxygen mask before helping others on an airplane. You can't pour from an empty cup, right?
Absolutely. And what happens if we ignore self-care, Alex? What are the consequences?
That's a great question. Ignoring self-care can lead to a whole host of problems. Firstly, it can lead to increased stress and anxiety. If you're constantly pushing yourself without taking breaks, you're bound to feel overwhelmed.
Definitely. And burnout is a real risk too. That's when you feel completely exhausted and emotionally drained. It can affect your work, your relationships, and your overall quality of life.
Exactly. And it's not just mental health. Neglecting self-care can also affect your physical health. Things like poor sleep, unhealthy eating habits, and lack of exercise can all take a toll on your body.
So, what are some simple things our listeners can do to prioritize self-care, Alex?
Well, start small. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Even just taking 15 minutes each day to do something you enjoy can make a big difference. Maybe go for a walk, listen to music, or practice some deep breathing exercises.
I love that. And setting boundaries is important too. Learning to say no to things that drain your energy and prioritizing the things that truly matter to you.
That's a tough one for a lot of people, including me, but it's crucial. And remember, self-care is personal. What works for one person might not work for another. So experiment and find what helps you feel your best.
Absolutely. And be patient with yourself. It takes time to develop healthy self-care habits. Don't get discouraged if you have a bad day or slip up. Just keep trying and remember that you deserve to prioritize your well-being.
Exactly. So, to recap, self-care is essential, not selfish. It's about intentionally taking time to look after yourself to prevent stress, burnout, and other negative consequences. Start small, set boundaries, and find what works best for you.
Great summary, Alex. Now it's time for our vocabulary check. Okay, Alex, let's test our listeners. The first word is crucial.
Right. Crucial means extremely important or necessary. For example, it's crucial to get enough sleep before an exam.
Excellent. Next up, overlooked.
Overlooked means to fail to notice or consider something. For instance, the importance of exercise is often overlooked.
Good one. Number 3, thrive.
Thrive means to prosper or flourish, to grow or develop vigorously. For example, plants thrive in a sunny environment.
Perfect. Our fourth word is extravagant.
Extravagant means costing too much money or using too many resources. For instance, an extravagant party is not how I would spend my money.
Amazing. Our fifth word is discouraged.
Discouraged means having lost your enthusiasm and confidence about something. An example would be, she felt very discouraged when she failed her driving test.
Excellent. The last word is neglecting.
Neglecting means to fail to care for properly. For instance, you're neglecting your studies.
That's all for today's vocab check.
And that's all the time we have for today's episode of English Up. We hope you found this discussion on self-care helpful.
Remember to prioritize your well-being, and we'll catch you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.